Hello guys, my name is Atul Devkar and today our video topic is aggregation function in ASQL. So in a function that we perform a calculation on a group of a row and the tables and return a single value from the result. The micromonolith use the aggregate function in SQL includes sum, average, max, min and count. So let's discuss about sum. So sum is the function. It adds up the values of the given columns in a table. Example: select sum in bracket salary from employees table. Next is the average. So average. This function is common aggregate function in SQL. Uh, and next is a sum. Sum is sum of values. Return the sum of values in a column. Second is average. Average is calculate the average of the values in the column. Next is a count. Count is the number of the rows in the table of the specific column. Fourth is the mean. Mean is the minimum value of the column. And fifth is the max. The max is return the maximum values in the column. So aggregate function can be used in the conjunction of the group by clause perform the calculating the group of the data defined by one or more columns. For example, suppose we have a table called the sales and the column product name. So sale rates and sale amounts can be the use the sum function and the group by clause by the total salaries amount of the each of the sales representatives. Example: select sales represent sum in bracket sales amount from sales group by sales repeated. So this is query is a return the result of set of the this column and sales repeat and the sum salary amount of the sales repeaters. Column will be obtain the names of the sum columns and the column contain the total sum amount of the each application. So author example is calculating the average salary of the employees of the each department. So we can use the average function with the group by clause and we can achieve this. Example: select department average salary from employees group by departments. So this query will return a result set that is a two columns department and average salary. The department column and the content of the name of the departments and the average salary column will contain the average salary of the each department. In summary, aggregate functions are powerful tools for the performing calculation of large set and the data in the SQL. So they are used to summarize data and the provide the meaningful insight into the understanding underlying the data. So this is all from my side. Thank you.